being from the design education space, we thought we would bring something more to the table. The new initiative from Sandskriti, which is going to be the Sandsacademy. Again, a new age kind of a design education platform. What is a bridge between design education and industry needs? As a designer, it's not just the design skills that is required in the industry, right? It's also the attitude that you carry with you. It's also the communication skill that you carry with you, right? And a lot of these things cannot be learned in isolation, right? Unless you go out in the open, work with people, face the struggles of the industry, you cannot learn that in a classroom, right? So it's very essential that you move out early on. So what we thought was, as a community, it's more about collaborating, joining hands together. Each of us bring a different perspective to the education space, and that's why it's a collaborative approach. We have launched Sandsacademy.